I thought I was done. Oh no. So, I was up here, I'm wiping everything down, and I had a whole bunch of bubbles. I guess I had missed. So I tried sanding them down, and this is why it takes me months to do anything. So I figured the easiest thing would be just to plaster. I'll tell you what, being ambidextrous really helps. So pretty much I just tried to be as smooth as possible so I don't have to sand. And I can hopefully just hit it with some 220. Just got this new block. It is super nice. Because I'm able to have 120 on one side and 220 on the other. And I just flip it as I need it. But the bubbles were too, I don't know how I missed it. Just another, I don't know, I've been over this whole ceiling. I never saw it. But I've noticed that when it's really sunny out, I really can't see anything on the ceiling. But because it's cloud covered and cold out, I guess I was able, as I was wiping it, either that or there was some dust in those holes. So when I wiped it with the damp sponge, then I could see them. Which is probably, looking back on it, that's probably what it is. But I'm gonna let that dry. I'm gonna let that dry right there. And then I will just kind of hit it with the 220 and really quick with this. I'm just gonna continue moving. I've done that half of this, pretty much that half of the ceiling and those walls and that wall, and I didn't see any imperfections. So I'm going to take your leave, continue on, and if I have any updates, I'll update you. If not, you have a blessed day. Be kind to one another, and I'll talk to you next time on Cheaper Than Rent.